In just 1 minute, let's learn important functions of Excel. Now joining text and numbers. Sometimes we have data in this format in different columns and we want them together. So let's say we want in this format, last name, comma, space, and then first name, correct? So we can use the formula of concatenate, or we can just select the last name first, and after this we want a comma. Symbols and text we always put in double quote. So we'll put comma in double quote. Then again we'll use the and function. Then we want a space. So we'll put space in double quotes. Again the and function. And now we want the first name. Enter. So we got the last name, comma, space, and then Nancy. We can select the cells, Control D, and drag the formula. Correct? Easy? So this is how you join the text. We can also use concatenate function. Concatenate. Open the brackets. The first cell we want first name, and then we want a space, and then we want the last name. So Nancy space Smith, full name. Correct? And here are some common keys which we use in Excel. You can download this sheet from the link given in the description box. Do check out the next video to learn the next function. Thank you.